Good morning, artists and normal human beings. It's official. This is Drawing Your Comments 3. You know how the rules work. You leave your comments down below. I draw them up here. Just a little bit of a warning. Some of the comments are absolutely insane. And I think that's what makes them beautiful in a way. The first comment that I found particularly interesting here was one by Paul Morris, who says, "Draw a chicken riding a turtle into battle. Maybe they're just jousting." No, I really like this idea, Paul. Thank you. Let's get drawing. Alright, here it is. Thank you, Paul. Wonderful comment. Everybody, give Paul a round of applause for actually coming up with an interesting idea. As you can see, I made the lance metallic, made some parts of the shield metallic. So, I like this. I enjoyed making it. It was a new texture that I hadn't done. Okay, next comment. Alright, next comment. Is from Parker Yearton. He says, "Draw Garfield mech suit." Now, I like this. It's a big step up from what Garfield was wearing in my last video. Oh boy, I spent a long time on that one. I know it's not exactly a mech suit, but I mean, it kinda is. Iron Man suit, mech suit, it's close enough, really. But now I finally have something to rival Thanos Shrek. We have Iron Garfield, I guess. That's a very creative name. As you notice, this area, this midriff, I guess, I don't know what the word is. It's made out of lasagna. It kind of takes the shape of armored lasagna around his belly.
Once again, my life has been saved by the miracle of lasagna.
Alright, we got a comment from Parker Yearton again, who says, you should draw Daredevil from the comics. I like that idea, and I'm actually going to combine it with another comment that I've been seeing a lot of from Kirby Masso and Gundy Bear. They both suggest that I should draw Sans. So I'm going to combine the characters, and we'll see what happens. Okay, I did it. Tested out some stuff with lighting. Next comment. Oops, that was an accident. Alright. I've discovered something interesting. Ovary Parkinson's, it's an interesting name, says, draw yourself as the Queen of Pluto. Now, if I was the Queen of Pluto, I would be Sheev Palpatine. And Owen Tomlinson also says, keep up the great work, you should totally do a Palpatine drawing. And I support this. If you don't know, Palpatine is basically the Emperor from Star Wars. And he's a legend, and I would love to draw that right now. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Let's go. Okay, I completed Sheev Palpatine. I made the nose too short, and I didn't realize it, and then I started inking, and I was like, oh, I messed it up. But that's fine. It looks... You get the idea. It is Sheev Palpatine. You get that vibe. You know it's him. Also, the kind of like the style I've been going for with all the other ones, it didn't apply as well for this comment, but yeah, it's fine. Next comment. Alright, we got a legendary comment from Broski the Boss, which says, you should do a picture of a Fortnite skin. Now, I'm not the biggest Fortnite gamer, but I mean, I see the appeal of the game. It's a free game. But, I mean, there are some reasons why I tend to stay away from that kind of stuff. Fortnite! So there are plenty of Fortnite skins. I don't know which one you'd like to see. Maybe you can leave that in a different comment at the bottom of this video, I guess. So I'm gonna look around for some more comments. Alright, this comment has been deleted by the person, but I still have it in my Creator Studio YouTube thing. They left 3 emojis: nose, horse, snake. So that's what I'm gonna be drawing right now. Nose, horse, snake. Okay, there's my nose, horse, snake. It's the end of the video. That's the last comment. It's been quite a journey. We've seen some ups and we've seen some downs with Palpatine's small nose. But no, this was a good video. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the comments. Leave more for the next one. See you then.
I'm damn hungry. I want some lasagna.